One problem is when your uterus is like a big bruise. The other problem is when your uterus has spit out little like mini dirty bombs all over the rest of your insides. And they're both really, really painful uterus conditions that can ruin your day. Hi, I'm your local OBGYN. I love women and let's talk about it. So I'm often asked to describe what the heck is the difference between adenomyosis and endomyosis. I mean, that's just like a different vowel starting off this stupid word. So like, is there a difference? Maybe they're just the same thing. They both seem to make bleeding annoying, pain irritating, and cause inflammation on the inside, sometimes leading to infertility. Now, the deal is that adenomyosis is basically like little bits of the inside lining of your uterus that grow and shed every single month, getting stuck inside the thickness of the muscle. So instead of just being on the inside lining and then being able to pour out through your cervix so that you can bleed every single month, these little spots get stuck in the muscle. So they kind of like sit there and they bleed in themselves and they irritate inside the thickness of the muscle, and then they kind of like resolve every single month. You're bleeding in and out of the muscle, almost like a bruise. Like you can see like a bruise on your skin because there's like blood that has happened below it when you get a black and blue mark. So adenomyosis equals like a black and blue mark inside of your uterus. Endometriosis, very different, okay? Endometriosis is basically where little bits of that lining that grow and shed every single month shoot out anywhere inside the body. We don't even know how to get to certain places. It can be inside the abdomen, the pelvis, the rectum, the intestines. They have found that in the diaphragm, in the brain, in the lungs. How does it get into the lungs? I don't know. It's a completely separate space that is like contained, but it has done that. And therefore, all those little specks that show up where they're not supposed to be, they bleed just like they're having a little lining of a period, and then they stop bleeding every single month. So instead of having a contained bruise, it's like you send out little microscopic bruises all over your body, which are pissed off, angry, and cause inflammation around tissue that is not supposed to have blood next to it.